In Qlik Sense, you can set a default bookmark for an app. By specifying a default bookmark, you can choose the default selections that your app consumer sees when they open sheets in your published app. To set a default bookmark, right-click an existing bookmark and then click Set Selections as App Default. Now the bookmark selections are applied by default to your app. You can only set or remove a default bookmark in an unpublished app. When you publish the app in which you have set a default bookmark, the bookmarked selections will be shown when your app consumer opens a sheet in the app. The app consumer can clear the default bookmark and make other selections in your published app. However, the default bookmark will be reapplied when your app consumer reopens or reloads a sheet. When you duplicate an app, the default bookmark is duplicated with the app. To remove a bookmark as the default, open the Bookmarks window in an unpublished app, and then right-click the default bookmark. Click Remove Selections as App Default. If you reload the app, you can see that the default bookmark has been removed. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.